This is the forecast. So on the daily, clearly bullish. And then in terms of targets, what I'm looking at is this swing high right there, which is pretty far, but this would be the next swing high. So low hanging fruit, this could be the next target. Plus, we've come into pretty much the 50% of this range. So that'll be another good indication to look for longs. Then in terms of the hour, we've got swing lows there. We have an order block there, so to tap into. So what I'm looking for is a sweep of the Asian low in order to start buying as a first entry signal. So once this sweeps, I've got an alert there. If this gets swept, then I'm going to drop down to the 5 minute and start looking for my entries. But until that happens, I'm not going to look for anything. And then in New York session, if we get below this midnight opening price, then I'm going to look for a break of structure and an OTE entry, basically a retracement, 0.62. If we get that, then I'm taking that trade. So that is London and New York forecasted for today. But we need to get below this opening price and the Asian low for me to take a trade. So that's pretty much it. No news today as well. So nothing to worry about, but that's pretty much it.